Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special look because it is my birthday dinner. My birthday isn't until Tuesday, but I wanted to make sure that me and my friends got to go out and got to celebrate. So I'm super excited. We're going to some very cute little jazz grill. There's a little singer man. I'm gonna make the singer man sing happy birthday to me, and we're all just gonna eat, drink, have a good time. So I'm super excited for this, and I just want to have some very cute, cool makeup. I have a gorgeous For Love and Lemons dress that I'm absolutely obsessed with that I'm wearing. So it's a super excited get ready with me day. We're going to try out some new products. We're going to try out some new brands just to make it a little bit of fun. And I think we're going to go for a little bit of a 70s vibe. Think of a Sharon Tate from Once Upon a Time in Hollywood type of look, but a little more glam, a little more glitter. And I'm super excited to get this going. So let's just go ahead and do it. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So let's go ahead and just squirt a little bit out. I really want to go out afterwards, dance, have a good time. So I really want my makeup to stick, and honestly my experience with Milk has been such a great one. So let's just keep it going. Now what I've really been loving doing lately, especially for my contour, is to go in first with the concealer and with the bronzer, with the creams, and then cover over it with foundation, because then it looks more natural, it's cleaner, and then we can just build up the type of tan color that we want. So I'm going to go ahead and use a concealer brush from Huda Beauty. I'm going to go into this middle color here in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette, and I'm just going to draw like 2 V's underneath my eye. I'm going to contour my cheek a little bit, so I just like to line it out. And then a little bit of my redness right here we want to conceal. This is a very thick cream contour, so it'll cover what you want it to cover. I'm going to do a little bit up my forehead, so I like to start in between my eyebrows, and we're going to draw 3 little lines, and we're just going to go straight down the nose. And I'm actually going to take like a small foundation brush from Sephora. I'm going to go into this middle contour here. This middle shade is more my color range. And I'm just going to line out my contour. We want a teeny little forehead and a teeny little chin, a teeny little jawline. So we're going to contour our lips just to give them a little extra fullness, because why the fuck not? And now that we look all crazy, I'm going to take a damp Morphe sponge, and I'm just going to kind of blend out the harsh lines a little bit. And now that we look a little more normal, I'm going to go in with my Dior Backstage Airflash Spray Foundation in the color 3W, and I'm just going to honestly spray directly onto my face and then blend it out with this brush, and then as we get closer to the eyebrows, I'm going to spray directly onto the sponge, you'll see. See, what I love about this is that there's no harsh lines. It looks like natural skin. Like, you look so much more glowy by putting the contour underneath your foundation, and especially because this is like a wetter foundation, it's super easy to blend out and it covers so gorgeously. So now I'm going to set everything just a little bit. I am going to go in, honestly, I picked this up from Jackson. I picked this up from Miss Maple. I'm going to go in with Airspun and just kind of lay everything flat because it is a little wet. And it's a super cute powder puff. And then then just tap it out. It's so quick, it's so easy, it lasts so long. Like, I 100% like recommend this. It's so mattifying. And now I'm going to move on to brows. So today I'm going to do an Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. And I just really want my brows to be dark and stay put and look good in photos. So that's the reason that we're doing this. I'm going to start underneath the brow and just draw a straight line. I'm going to hit my arch and then bring it down to a point. I'm going to slowly start filling it in from the back. Now let's do the other one. Okay, and then to get them to stay, I am going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo, again in the shade Soft Brown. And I'm just going to kind of set everything in place with the powder. So next I'm going to move on to my eyes. So I'm going to use the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre and a concealer brush just to set everything in place. Okay, and now that I've primed my eyes, I'm going to go in with a Makeup Forever Color Artist pencil in black. And like I said, I want to do a little bit of a 70s eye, so I'm going to start with the liner, and I'm going to go ahead and make a wing, and then I'm going to bring it in almost all the way to the front, just one continuous line. There you go. And then the other one. And it's totally okay that they're not perfect because we're going to blend them out actually right now. I'm actually using a paintbrush for this. It's just a very tiny paintbrush. And I'm going to go ahead and just smudge out the liner. And today I'm going to use the MAC Personality Palette in Prissy Princess. It's just such a pretty set of pinks and chocolates, and there's a very cute highlighter, so I'm excited to play. But I'm going to go ahead back in with that paintbrush into this first color, Spoil Yourself, this chocolate brown. And I'm just going to follow this line and blend this out in the chocolate brown. And then next I'm going to take a damp eyeshadow brush, and then I'm going to go into this color right here called Good Girl and You Know It. And I'm going to just smoke this out from the edge. And then I'm going to use the same brush and go into this color right here, Too Good to Be True, this silver. And this is going to be the front of the lid. And then just slightly bend this over. And then in the very inner corner, I'm going to go in with this baby pink called Color Me Spoiled. And then I think on top of this, just to give it a little extra sparkle, I'm going to use the Ciate London Marbled Metal in the shade Entwine. I'm just going to go right in with my eyeshadow brush and just brighten this up a tad. And then I think, because honestly you can never have enough glitter, I'm going to top it with a Lime Crime Diamond Dew in the shade Aurora. And just kind of tap it all over. Yes. And I think I'm going to go ahead and toss on lashes. So today I'm using the Lilly Lashes 3D Mink lashes in Miami Mink. So I'll slap these on and I'll be right back. And now that I've popped on lashes, the look is finally starting to come together. So this is all very exciting. I think I'm gonna head into my lower lash line right now with a white paint stick and a concealer brush just to kind of open my eye a little bit. I want to do lower liner. I think this just kind of helped everything out. But I do want to be more tan. So I am going to go in with the Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Light. I'm using the same foundation brush. And just placing more onto the corners of my face to contour a tad more. We want to be chiseled in pictures. I'm going to take that same damp Morphe sponge and just blend this out. And then I think I'm going to use the Beauty Bakerie Cotton Candy Champagne Blushlighter palette. They're like a combination of like a blush and a highlighter, Blushlighter. And the packaging is just truly amazing. So there are 4 shades. I think I'm gonna go in with this pinky shade right here because it has the most silver undertone. I'm gonna go in with a powder brush from Sephora and just warm up my cheeks. Wow, I feel like a beautiful like frosted pink donut. I'm going to move on to my lip, and I'm going for a pinky-ish lip look, so I'm going to use the Dose of Colors lip liner in Delight and just outline my lips. And then I'm going to go in with a Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade Muse, and I'm just going to kind of do an ombre effect on the outside of the lip. And lastly, I'm going to go in with a lip gloss from Natasha Denona in the shade Antique Rose. And I'm just going to top this off. And I think just because it's a birthday, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb, if I can get it open, in How Many Carats. And I'm just going to use it to top off my highlighter. And I think I'm going to go in the inner corner of my eye with it as well. And then I think I am going to just do the lower lash line just for a little bit of extra drama. And then just smooth it out. And this is our final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun creating this look. I love the 70s vibe. I love the smoky eye. I love these lashes. I think that this is just a great look for a great dress. I'm just excited to have a great night and be with my friends and eat and drink and just have a good time. So thank you for getting ready with me. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it. Please comment down below and tell me if you like this video or tell me if you didn't like this video. And I'm gonna get going because I have to be there in an hour. I'm super excited and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!